I'm starting to think that you're an Eminem stan. I'm starting to think you're a stan.
I don't even know because I'm just guessing.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to Street Smart with Rashid. I am your host, Rashid Kareem Shatty. We are here today in Old Town Pasadena. In honor of Eminem's new album, we are going to be asking these people questions related to the great rapper from Detroit. Let's see how much these people know about Slim Shady. What is your name and where are you from?
Christian, I am originally from Fort Worth, Texas.
My name's Eric, and I'm from Glendale, California.
Eric from Glendale. That's where our office is.
My name is Matthew and Vargas, and I'm from LA.
Matthew from LA. We got an LA native here. Okay, now I'm going to ask you some questions about a guy from the Midwest. He's not a West Coast rapper. This is a Detroit rapper. Question number 1. What was the rapper name of Eminem's character in the hit movie 8 Mile? Was it A, Papa Doc, B, Wink, or C, Rabbit?
It was C, Rabbit.
I can tell you everyone's gonna hate me, but see.
Rabbit.
Rabbit is correct. You are 1 for 1. That is correct. His name was Rabbit, and the movie was a major success and actually won Eminem an Oscar for Best Original Song. So just as a little bonus question, this one doesn't count against you. Do you know which song that is?
I should know that.
That one is like everybody knows. I know what you mean, man. Yeah, they actually have a scene of him throwing up in the stall before he goes on stage, and I think that's the Mom Spaghetti. All right, number 2. What was Eminem's rap group? Was it A, G Unit, B, D12, or C, Beastie Boys?
G Unit.
G Unit.
Like I said, everyone's gonna hate me when I get them wrong, but B.
No one is going to hate you, Matthew. B is correct. D12 is the right answer. G Unit was 50 Cent.
I knew that, but I didn't know his, so I just figured G Unit. So.
D12 stands for Dirty Dozen. The group was founded in Detroit in the late 90s and released 2 number 1 albums in the early 2000s before the members focused more on their solo careers. I'm starting to think that you're an Eminem stan. I'm starting to think you're a stan.
I don't even know because I'm just guessing lowballing because I'm not pretty 100% sure.
Matthew, you've got the magic touch right now. Something tells me that you have an Eminem shrine. Do you write letters to Eminem ever?
No, but my friends, they love Eminem. They tell me he's basically, how should I say, it's like the greatest rapper of all time.
Our last question is a health question, sponsored by Dherbs. What exercise trend did Eminem pick up when he decided to get fit? Was it A, Body Beast, B, Peloton, or C, kickboxing?
It's gotta be kickboxing, right?
A.
Great answer. I could see Eminem being a kickboxer. It's actually Body Beast. Have you heard of that?
No, I haven't.
Neither have I. Body Beast is a video exercise program centered on lowering weight and sculpting muscle. Eminem said the videos helped him stay focused while working out alone, and they helped him lose 20 pounds. A is correct. Matthew, you are today's first winner, and your name's Matthew, but I kind of want to call you Stan because you are an Eminem stan. Here is a little cash prize for you, my friend. Of course.
Hey, my name is Matthew, and Street Smart, Dherbs. Thank you very much.
My name's Eric. I just did the Street Smart Challenge, and thank you, Dherbs.
All right, guys, that wraps up another episode of Street Smart with Rashid. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and tune in again next week for another episode.